In this video, I'll show you how to delete your WordPress account safely and permanently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital management tips. First, go to wordpress.com and log in. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your name. This opens a drop-down menu, giving you quick access to account options. Next, click on My Profile. Here you'll find all your personal information and settings. From there, go to Account Settings, which is where you manage everything tied to your WordPress account. Now, scroll down until you find the option to delete your account permanently. Before clicking, make sure you've saved any content or data you want to keep, because this action cannot be undone. When you're ready, click Delete Your Account Permanently. WordPress may show a confirmation prompt to ensure you really want to proceed. Review any warnings or notifications carefully. They explain what will happen next. And that's it. By following these steps, your WordPress account will be removed permanently. Deleting an account may seem daunting, but breaking it down step by step makes it simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tips on managing your digital presence.